Hi kids, welcome to a very special Butter and Salt. I'm Krista McLemore, and that's Kevin. And today we're celebrating episode number 100.
Yay!
Yay! Today's the very special 100th episode, and I didn't want to just do any haphazard video. I wanted to plan something special. So I overanalyzed like I always do, and I figured out what I wanted to cook. How special could this be? Did I want to do a cocktail? Did I want to do a food? And I thought, you know what? I should do Dutch babies. It was the first episode, so I'm bringing it full circle. So we have okay, we have episode 1 with Dutch babies, and we have episode 100 with Dutch babies. Hey guys, so as you can see, I lost my audio for a second. But here I was telling some amazing jokes and using my hands a lot. But mostly I wanted to say that this is a super easy recipe. It comes from a Pinterest post that I found from Seasons and Suppers. All you do is throw all the ingredients into a blender, blend it up until it's a batter consistency, and our oven is preheating to 425 with a muffin tin already inside getting hot. You can find a list of the ingredients and the actual recipe on Seasons and Suppers website, which I will link in the description below. So now that the oven is up to temperature, we're going to take 2 more tablespoons of butter, put it in a bowl and microwave it so that it's melted, because we're going to brush the melted butter into the pans. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And we're just going to pop this into the microwave for about 15 seconds. It's going to be hot. So please be careful. Okay, we're just gonna brush it. Ooh, you hear that sizzle on the bottom and on the sides of all the cups? This is a nonstick pan, but it adds flavor as well as helps them just pop right out. Pretty easy cleaning. So now we're gonna fill each muffin tin about half to 2/3 full. Into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. So as this being our 100th episode, I just wanted to give you guys a big thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. There's no point in me making this without people watching. And we've made it to 100 episodes. I didn't think that I would have this many. It was just something fun I was doing. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you like the content that you're seeing, give me a thumbs up. It does let me know that you want to see more of this particular content. Or you could also comment. You can comment down below. What do you want to see more of in the next 100 episodes? Do you want to see more blind taste testing? Do you want to see more copycat recipes? More recipes from cookbooks or Pinterest that you've seen? Do you want original content? I don't know. Let me know below. Same with the cocktails. Cocktails and food. Listed all below. Let me know so I know where to take the channel for the next 100 episodes. And speaking of the next 100 episodes, I have quite a hefty goal. Could you say it was hefty? I would say it's hefty. We're at 175 subscribers right now, which is freaking awesome. I want to make it a goal of 1,000 subscribers by episode 200. Hefty goal. See what I mean? So if you're enjoying this, please share it with your friends. Tell them that you love me. But also, if you're not a subscriber but you've been watching the content, go ahead and subscribe now and see you in the future. Very excited. Very... Echo. Stop. You guys, they're gonna look impressive and then they're not. So like I said, mine are a little blonde on top, but look at them. Aren't they cute? So now we get to serve them up. And take a little fork and they go pop. That's from the butter. They just come out so easily. And they're these perfect little cups for your blueberry sauce. I don't know what a serving is, but we eat 3. And then I'll freeze the rest. So we'll have them for another time and a quick and easy meal. I would say serve them with eggs, but these are eggs. So now, my favorite part, reading the ingredients. I'm just kidding. We're going to dust them with powdered sugar. And we're just gonna give this a little bit. I've only ever had these as sweet options, but last night I saw one that was like aged cheddar and chive Dutch babies, and I thought savory sounds different. So that might be the next thing I try.
Bacon.
Huh?
Bacon.
Bacon! Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode, our 100th episode. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. And while you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time you want to see more of these. I think that was right. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on episode 101. Bye.
Where are we?
Yeah, you'll notice that we're in a different set. Quote unquote set. It's my kitchen. We have moved. That's kind of what took me so long to get out another video. And so now we are in our new home. It's a travel trailer. We live the tiny life now. I'm sure you've seen that on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. And if you don't, I'll put the thing down below.
Follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram.